Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Code It Simple. Today we will interact with different visuals. So let's jump to Power BI. So as you can see, we have already imported the policy data. So under visualization pane, let's start with matrix chart. So over here you can see this is a matrix chart. Let's expand it a bit. And within this matrix chart, you can see we have options like rows, columns, and values. So within rows, we have to enter a column for which we need to see the data, and under values, we need to put the aggregated column which will show us the total sum or average for those particular row elements. So let's start with something simple. Let's select the date state column, put it into the rows, and take the insured value column and put it into the values. Let me change the font size a bit so we can see it clearly. So here you can see we already get the sum of the insured value within the value axis. So if we click on this down arrow, you can see we have multiple aggregated functions available in here, like average, minimum, maximum, count distinct, count, standard deviation, variance, and mean. So we can just directly select them from here, and the values will automatically change in the visual. You can see now we have the average values of the insured value by each state. We can also see what is the maximum insurance value for each state. And here you can see if we just sort this column, the maximum insurance value is for WI state. Also, we can see how much each state is contributing into the total value. For that, let's select the sum first and click on show value as and click on percentage of grand total. You can see we are easily getting that which state is contributing maximum into the total percentage. And over here we can easily see that New York is contributing the most. So these are very simple and easy options provided by Power BI to create visuals without indulging into complex calculations. Now, as we have percentage, you know that the best way to show the contribution is by pie chart or a donut chart. But I don't want to follow all these steps again into a new chart. So there Power BI comes handy. If you just select this chart and select pie chart from here, it will automatically convert this chart to the pie chart. Or if you want a donut chart, you just click on the donut chart. You see, in this way we can easily convert one chart to another chart without following the same steps again and again. That's all for today. In our next video, we will start working on the measures and calculated columns. Thank you. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you won't miss any updates from our side.